Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off wallpaper on the lock screen on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so yeah, if you feel disturbed because the wallpaper on your cell phone's lock screen changes easily and every time you turn on the lock screen the wallpaper changes. Well, then you can turn it off because this changing wallpaper can drain your cell phone's battery, guys. So it should be turned off even though it looks good or aesthetic. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, now firstly I will show you. If we turn it on and then the wallpaper will change every time you turn on the lock screen. And how to overcome that? Now the first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down until you found the menu lock screen, and then scroll down a little bit and go to wallpaper carousel, and then you can turn it off. And so yeah, here's the result. Your wallpaper won't change anymore. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching and see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.